In today's digital landscape, newsletters are a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience and drive growth. Building an email list allows you to cultivate a direct relationship with your customers, fostering loyalty and trust. By delivering valuable content that addresses their needs and interests, you can nurture engagement, increase brand awareness, and ultimately boost sales. Imagine having a platform to directly share your latest offerings, industry insights, or exclusive promotions with a targeted audience who has chosen to hear from you. That's the power of newsletters, a direct channel for meaningful communication and lasting impact. To start building your email list, you need to attract subscribers. One effective strategy is offering valuable lead magnets, such as ebooks, checklists, or free trials, in exchange for email addresses. Promote your newsletter on social media platforms, showcasing the benefits of subscribing and engaging your followers. Don't forget to strategically integrate sign-up forms on your website, making it easy for visitors to join your mailing list. These tactics will help you capture valuable leads and grow your subscriber base. The key to keeping subscribers engaged is crafting compelling content. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your audience. Start by writing engaging subject lines that pique their interest and encourage them to open your emails. Structure your emails with clear headings, concise paragraphs, and visual elements to improve readability. Provide actionable insights, tips, or solutions that directly benefit your readers. By offering valuable content that solves their problems or provides them with something they need, you'll keep them coming back for more. Consistency is crucial for building a successful newsletter strategy. Establish a regular schedule and stick to it. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, consistency helps build anticipation and keeps your audience engaged. To ensure you have a steady stream of content, consider creating a content calendar. This will help you plan your newsletter topics in advance, ensuring a variety of engaging content that keeps your subscribers coming back. By creating a schedule and planning your content, you'll be able to build a reliable and valuable communication channel with your audience. To truly understand the effectiveness of your newsletters, you need to track your results. Key metrics to monitor include open rates, which indicate how many subscribers opened your email, click-through rates, which show how many clicked on links within the email, and unsubscribe rates, indicating the number of subscribers who opted out. Analyzing these metrics provides valuable insights into your audience's engagement and helps identify areas for improvement. For example, low open rates might suggest an issue with your subject lines, while low click-through rates might indicate a lack of compelling content. By using data to inform your strategy, you can optimize your newsletters for maximum engagement and success.